Here is how to do the viral 3D lip design. First, draw a horizontal line in the middle of your nail and make it bold. You can make this line red or black. I'm going with red. After curing the red, you apply top coat and cure it. Now get a white molding gel and scoop out a very small portion of it. The best place to drop this gel you scooped out would not be exactly in the middle of the nail, but very close to the middle. So imagine a very thin line in the middle of the nail. On one side of that line is where you'll be dropping the gel. Now try to mold it into like a U shape that is upside down. Imagine a letter U that is upside down. Yes, that's the shape you'll be molding it into with your silicone tool. Once you have that, you can go ahead and cure it so that when doing the second one, you won't touch the first one by mistake. So do the same thing with the second one. The second one will be on the other side of the nail. So once you have that shape, you cure it and do two more by the sides of them. Once you have them arranged like that, you do the same thing upside down. But for these ones that are upside down, the two that will be by the sides, they won't be as bold as those two in the middle. This is so that the lip would fit well and it will not be looking too big. Now, to create the lip, unfortunately, I didn't know that my camera wasn't recording when I was doing the upper lip, but the lower lip would explain it. So you're going to get a clear sculpting gel. You can also use white for this, but if you have clear, that would work better. So you scoop out your clear sculpting gel and try to roll it just like you see me doing here. When placing it on the nail, place about half of it on those teeth and half of it on the nail. Then you start to use your silicone tool or whatever it is you'll be comfortable with to move it around, making it look more like a lip. Just imagine a letter W, a like soft letter W. That's what you're trying to do here. And when we did the upper one as well, try to make it look like a letter M. It's not that they should be looking exactly like these letters. It's just when you look at a lip drawn on a paper, you would see that the upper one looks a bit like letter M and the lower one looks a bit like letter W. So that's the idea you use here to help you as a guide as well. Now, when you achieve that with the lower lip, you're going to raise one side of it, push it up to the middle of those teeth so that it looks like she's biting one side of the lip when you apply your gel polish. So once you have this, you cure it and then you start applying your gel polish. Any color of gel polish you want to use, you can even do a lip combo if you want. So once you're done applying your gel polish, you cure it and apply top coat on it. Make sure you don't apply too much top coat on those teeth. Once you cure the top coat, you can maybe apply one stone on one teeth. That's if you want to. But if you don't want to, you are done. You're good to go. And you have your 3D lip. Everything I used to create this nail design, you can find them in my Telegram store. And the link to my Telegram store is in my bio.